Welcome to today's video. I'm super excited because today I'm going to be doing some powder contour for beginners, and the powder contour is just so easy, super simple and light. I love the how it looks because it's just very natural. It's not something super harsh and that you can tell it's kind of fake. So I'm going to start off by applying some foundation, and I'm using this one. It's not so good. It's actually not even my skin tone, I think so. When I tried it on, I felt like it was okay, but then I looked on camera and I'm like, this looks kind of odd. But anyways, just pardon me for that ugly foundation I use. You guys definitely need to use the best foundation that you guys own or that you guys like, etc. So then I just pretty much took that and blended everything really well throughout my whole entire face. Then I decided to pretty much just set my whole entire face with this powder, and I use this translucent powder by Maybelline. It's very cool because it does give me a very nice effect, and it's not super like, it doesn't have any color twist, so it just pretty much just set my face. And I don't know what's wrong with my brush there, so I don't know what I was doing. Anyways, I decided to do my eyebrows because yeah, I just wanted them to look okay. So I took this contour palette, and this one is very cool for beginners, and I don't know which brand this one is. It's not probably it's not a really known brand, but you guys can definitely try the Wet n Wild, I think so. That's the brand that has like a duo with like a with like a powder contour and like highlight. So it's very cool. You guys can probably try that, and it's probably the same thing that I'm using. So I just started off by applying these two shades right there, and I just went ahead and applied that right under the cheekbone area. And remember, it's very important that you guys find where the hollows of the cheekbones are. Remember that you guys are gonna contour depending on the shape of your face. So anyways, I took this powder contour and pretty much applied that right to the hollows of my cheeks. And remember, we're not doing blending, we're just applying at first because we want to pretty much just blend everything. And then I just took the highlight and I hit major pan on that palette, and because I really like it, it's just very cool. The highlight shade is amazing, even more than a contour. But yeah, so I took that right in the nose area, and I pretty much just applied that right in the center, and that is going to create a very nice effect because it's gonna make your nose kind of look like elongated. It's very nice. So I took it also under my eye area, and it was wonderful. It creates a very bright effect. That's why it's highlight palette. And anyways, I just took this big fluffy brush and decided to blend everything really well. And remember that choosing the right brush is going to it's the key to this, because you do want to look like very natural and like you have like very defined cheekbones, but also you guys don't look like over like with a cakey face or just too much, you know. Sometimes when people apply way too much, it can look like you can tell it's not natural. That's my point there. So yeah, I'm just blending everything very, very well. And remember that I'm not good at nose contouring because I'm just really not. I never do that. I never contour my nose. But for the sake of this video, I wanted to show you guys a very simple trick, and it's to apply it with your finger right in the middle of the nose. And then afterwards, just pretty much doing the same thing to the other part of my face. Okay, so now I just took this blush and applied that to the apples of my cheeks. And yeah guys, this is pretty much the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and can recreate it. It's very simple, it looks very natural, nothing too harsh. So I hope you guys really like it. Make sure you guys like this video and share it with your friends, and comment down below for any suggestions, and subscribe to his YouTube channel. Bye bye!